你好，欢迎来到 HSK 汉语课堂。我叫于斌，我是中国人。你是哪国人？ Can you tell me your country's name in Chinese? 英国、韩国、埃及、澳大利亚。In this lesson, we're going to learn how to count numbers and talk about people's ages in Chinese. Follow me to read 1 to 10, please. 一、二、三、四、五、六、七、八、九、十。On the top, the number is 零。Wow, so many pandas. 大熊猫。Let's read it. 一、二、三、四、五、六、七、八、九。The last picture. 十。Numbers above 10 are easy to remember. You just say 10-1, 10-2, etc. 11、12。Let's see some more numbers. Read the list with me, please. 11、12、20、23、34、47、56、69、78、85、99。How do you ask someone's age in Chinese? Here is a video for you.
旭东，你多大了？
我24岁，你呢？
我21岁。他多大了？
他18岁。
Did you hear the age of the three people? 24、21、18。你多大了？ How old are you? 多大 means how old? Le is used at the end of a sentence to indicate change of state. In other words, there is now a new situation, or there is about to be a new situation. 岁 means year. For the answer to the question, 你多大了? You say 我 plus your age and then 岁. Read after me, please. 你多大了? 你多大了? 我24岁. 我24岁. 你呢？我21岁。我21岁。他多大了？他多大了？他18岁。他18岁。Have you noticed there is a n after 你? What is it? N is a particle which can be used to ask reciprocal questions, also known as bounce-back questions. N can be used to form simple questions, asking what about or how about. The structure is topic plus N. For example, 你多大了？我16岁。你呢？我27岁。你是哪国人？我是中国人。你呢？We have learned 你、我、他。Interestingly, the pronunciation for he is the same as for she. So when I say 他, you actually don't know if I'm talking about him or her. That is really tricky, isn't it? However, in writing, you don't have this problem because there are different characters. Have a look. 他 Now let's do an exercise. Listen to 3 statements. The question is, how old are they? Number 1. 他叫奥巴马。他54岁。他叫奥巴马。他54岁。Number 2. 他叫章子怡。他37岁。他叫章子怡。他37岁。Number 3. 他叫林书豪。他28岁。他叫林书豪。他28岁。Okay, can you tell me 他们多大了？ Okay, let's see the answer. 奥巴马多大了？奥巴马54岁。 章子怡多大了？她37岁。The last person. 林书豪多大了？他28岁。Did you get it? We have learned so much today. Have a good rest. 谢谢，再见。